one of the most important things that you can do to become a great Latin dancer is to decide what is your superpower. For me, I decided my superpower is going to be spinning. I want to be so fast. And I don't just want to do 1 or 2 turns. I want to just smash the audience with so many turns so that it becomes impressive. So for you, what is this superpower that you want your dancing to embody so that when somebody looks at you dance, they go, wow, you are this. In Latin dancing, I often hear my students say, oh, there's so many things to work on. It feels so overwhelming. And that is the exact reason why you need to decide what is that one thing that you want to pour all of your energy into. And for me, I decided that spinning is the thing because once I have the speed and the control and the balance, all of my dancing becomes so dynamic. So what is going to be your superpower? Join me inside Hips and Heels and I will show you exactly what that's going to be.